the Mediterranean Sea, 2000. A group of divers working off the Egyptian coast near Alexandria discovered the submerged ruins of statues and even entire temple complexes.
One instance of the discovery of something that we thought was legendary was the discovery of Heraklion, Thonis, near Alexandria. We had read about this in Greek myth and Greek histories, but we had no evidence for it. And then one day, it gets discovered.
Dating back to the 7th century BC, Thonis, or Heraklion as it was known to the Greeks, was cited in ancient myths as a major trading post for the region.
For a long time, Heraklion in Egypt was in many stories, but had not been found until the year 2000. In India, in the year 2001, something similar happened. The Mahabharata tells of the time Lord Vishnu built a great fortified city, Dvarka. It was thought to be an imaginary place, and then it was discovered.
But of all the places on Earth that were thought to be mythological, the one that has inspired the most fascination and has proven the most elusive is not a city, but an entire continent, Atlantis. As described by Plato in the 4th century AD, Atlantis was the home of a highly advanced civilization which mysteriously disappeared into the ocean thousands of years ago. While mainstream scholars continue to dismiss Atlantis as nothing more than a fanciful myth, there are many who believe Plato's account was based on a very real place. But if Atlantis, like other formerly mythical locations, were discovered, would it offer proof of extraterrestrial contact with early humans? Dunedin, New Zealand, February 2017. Scientists at New Zealand's top geological institute, GNS Science, announced the discovery of a lost continent, one that sunk into the ocean millions of years ago. They dubbed the landmass Zealandia, as it extends directly under New Zealand. Although it is almost entirely underwater, it fits the definition of a continent, as it consists of an intact piece of crust that is distinctly different from the ocean floor and clearly separated from Australia.
This was a shocking discovery because they thought the number of continents on Earth had been basically fixed. Now this one looks like it could have been another continent where perhaps human beings dwelt. And if it was, this could certainly rewrite a lot of history books.
Could this be the lost continent of Atlantis? Ancient astronaut theorists say that it is a distinct possibility.
There is an ongoing bias among scientists that anything from the ancient past must therefore be a made-up fake story, a myth. And yet, these scientists have to look at the reality that archaeological discoveries are verifying that the actual stories have merit.